You see this, Matthew?
Don't. You did.
You see this, Gabe?
I do.
You see this, Gabe?
Ow,
It's snert!
it's sweater.
Snert, snow and dirt!
Snow on your shoe?
The nature walk. Oh, so close!
I'll keep watch.
Yeah.
I saw some bears that way.
Hey, I see a trail, man. I'm not gonna be a Gabe and go through the snow.
Yeah, we're gonna go through the little patches of snow. We're gonna be a half Gabe. See, that's why we created Nature Walk.
Oh, nature run.
Nature Run. I don't see you running, Gabe.
If this is
I think these trees might be protected. Not sure. So, if they are, I am screwed by the law.
one will never be screwed.
One second. Well, you can go down there. There. You all right, Gabe? I think Matthew's Mafia. You think Matthew's Mafia too?
Definitely Matthew.
All right, it's voting time. I vote Matthew. All right, get up to the post. Get up to the post. Get up to the post, Matthew. Matthew, get up to the post.
What are you saying your defense?
Yeah, what's your defense?
I didn't do anything.
You know,
What classic.
I think we should vote innocent. Fake will, fake will. All right, what's your goat? Vote, not your goat, your vote. Guilty, guilty. All right, Matthew, what's your death animation? Death by Super Saiyan.
Yes.
All right, now Gabe, you were the last Mafia, I know that, but I'm the vigilante. Oh yeah.
Get prepared to get shot.
Get prepared to get snowballed.
You missed.
No, I meant to hit the post.
Gay.
Hey man, you mean Gabe. It's not gonna attack us, man, it's a bear.
Go!
His name's Carl! Carl! Over there, one team's over here.
The ice that some animal probably pissed in.
It's not yellow, so it's mellow. Oh, there's something down there.
Let's eat it.
Really? Alright, cool, I'm down.
He hates it.
He's losing to a branch.
And then we can take it home as a trophy.
Yes!
If we don't catch a bear, at least we'll have some ice.
Love you too.
It's coming from above! Do you know what that is?
Birch tree.
How?
By the way it is.
Hey Matthew, what's that big shiny thing over there?
I don't know, Kate Taylor.
I can't see it. Just, how do you know, huh? Huh? How do you know?
I don't know, it's a guess.
It's a guess?
Educated.
I think that's an educated guess. What are you? One sec. What are you, some kind of genius?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Shot game?
In the back. Nowhere else. Shoot my back.
Oh, I thought you were meaning something else.
Shoot my cat.
Shoot my back. Like, shoot your juices off.
Ouch!
Whoa!
Garcia, duck!
You actually?
What? Jeez! Oh boy.
You say sneeze when you
Jeez! Yes, I do. I found some rain down in
Say I
Africa.
found some rain.
Is it rain or no?
I blessed the rain.
I think it's I missed the rain. Isn't it?
Maybe it is I blessed the rain.
Well, sorry, bear. Okay.
We'll get you one day.
We'll get you one day, bear!
We're not getting him. We're just taming him.
I know, we're
Exactly.
getting him. Oh, I found some yellow snow. Does that mean it's lemon?
Did you just... He asked for it too. He was like, shoot me.
Hey, I didn't eat snow off of it either. I threw it. And you Lady Liberty shines her light on Gabe Garcia. Oh.
Mark!
Hi! Hi! Hi!
You take me as a
Moo!
cow.
Ah! I hit my finger. Okay, we're done. Oh, you hit your finger, so you're gonna be done. Poor little Benji. Yep, I hit my finger. I'm done. Yes.
Like that's it.
That's it. Yeah, I know.
Okay, go. And I'll save you in the next